Welcome to our comprehensive guide on making money with dropshipping. In this video, we'll take you through what dropshipping is, how it works, and its pros and cons. By the end of this video, you will have a clear roadmap to start your dropshipping business. Let's begin with the basics. What is dropshipping? Dropshipping is an e-commerce business model where you don't need to stock products. Instead, you partner with suppliers who handle inventory and shipment. Now, let's delve into how dropshipping works step by step. Step 1. Choose your niche. Select a product category you're passionate about or that has demand in market. Step 2. Research products. Use market research tools to find profitable items with a good margin. Step 3. Create your online store. You can use platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. Number 4. Add product to your store. This is where your suppliers' catalogs come in handy. Step 5. When a customer orders, notify your supplier who then ship the product directly to the customer. Now let's discuss about the pros and cons of dropshipping. It has low startup cost, no inventory management, flexibility to work from anywhere, and a wide range of products to sell. But you will get lower profit margins, limited control over inventory and shipping, and intense competition. Tips for success. Before you start your dropshipping journey, here are some tips for success. Number 1. Choose reliable suppliers. Partner with trustworthy suppliers to ensure quality products and timely delivery. Number 2. Invest in marketing. Use SEO, social media, and paid advertising to derive traffic to your store. Number 3. Provide excellent customer service. Respond to inquiries promptly and resolve issues professionally. In conclusion, dropshipping can be a lucrative way to make money online if done right. It's important to weigh the pros and cons. Take steps to ensure your success. With dedication, you can build a profitable dropshipping business. Thank you for joining us in this step-by-step guide to making money with dropshipping. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more valuable content. Stay tuned for more informational video and best of luck with your dropshipping journey.